Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Use 3 large eggs, 2 tablespoons milk, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and 1/8 teaspoon black pepper for a standard omelet base. Measure 1/4 cup shredded cheese and have 1 tablespoon unsalted butter ready to melt in an 8-inch nonstick skillet. Optional fillings like 1/4 cup diced tomato or 2 tablespoons chopped herbs can be added but will change cook time. Crack the eggs into a bowl, whisk with a fork until smooth and slightly frothy, then set aside while the pan heats gently. Heat an 8-inch nonstick skillet over medium-low heat and melt 1 tablespoon butter until it foams but does not brown. Pour the whisked eggs into the pan, tilt to spread, and cook undisturbed for 90 to 120 seconds until edges set and the center is slightly glossy. Sprinkle 1/4 cup shredded cheese evenly. Cook 15 to 30 seconds more so the cheese begins to melt. Then use a spatula to fold the omelet in half and rest 20 seconds for carryover cooking. Slide the omelet onto a plate and season with a pinch of extra salt and 1/8 teaspoon black pepper to taste before serving. Serve immediately for best texture. For a creamier texture, substitute 1 tablespoon cream for 1 tablespoon milk or cook over lower heat for an extra 30 seconds and avoid overcooking, which dries the eggs. Clean the skillet while warm by wiping with a paper towel and avoid abrasive scrubbing to preserve the nonstick surface and maintain even heat for future omelets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.